Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stacy Pinky. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you. I know nimepotea, but I'm back like I have never left again. Thank you guys, So this is my life. This is a day in my life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get to the video. Hope you're enjoying the video. So I was just making the sweet potatoes. So when the sweet potatoes are cooking, I'm going to do some little of cleaning. So allow me to put the sweet potatoes on fire, and then I wash my dispenser. Since I bought it, I've never washed it, so I'm going to wash the dispenser today. So I'm almost done washing the dispenser. Now I'm washing hizo vitu za ndani. Nikimaliza niweke dispenser, niweke maji. So I'm looking for a house. Plug me on the comment section. Plug me where you can see good houses, because here on the sink I'm trying to wash it, but azitoki, chafu ni mingi, sijui ni nini, ama ni hizo ni maglue ama ni magam, but I'm looking for a house. Ukiona ile mzuri, tag me on the comment section guys. I'm done washing the utensils. I'm washing there. You can see that I'm washing there, but those things hazitoki kabisa kabisa kabisa. Ona naisugua, nimesugua na hazitoki. That's why I'm looking for another house. Plug me guys, plug me, plug me. So that is it. I'm done washing the utensils. So nimeletea vitu kutoka Ushago with Michelle. Michelle, thank you. That's beans from Ushago. And then we have sweet potatoes, we have maize, we have avocado. Stay tuned to watch until the end. Look at that. Hey, Ushago kwetu kunatoa mahindi. Hey. Asante Michelle, feel tagged. Thank you guys. Birthday party maneno, birthday party maneno. Huyu mwalimu analikuwa umaji.
Nasce ngoja apumlishe.